Hi, greetings from Manitoba. It's a cold, dreary day today. Well, by cold I mean plus 12. Feels like plus 12, and I just wanted to give an update on my PureWave. I originally got it and I set it in one of my weaker hives. It seemed that the queen was struggling to lay and there wasn't a huge population, so I left my PureWave in for a few months and the queen was laying better, and I witnessed more population, so that was very promising. But then I stumbled upon a hive that had taken shelter in a friend of mine's shed, and so wouldn't you know it, they were excessively aggressive, and I don't think I've ever experienced such angry bees. I eventually got them home after many stings, and I decided to try the PureWave in that hive just to see what might happen. And wouldn't you know it, the bees became very kind, very gentle. So, geez, maybe it was that amazing magnet. Maybe they just needed a forever home. I don't know. But regardless, I'm pretty thankful that I even tried that magnet, because so far I have been seeing really good things. Side note, on the original hive that was a bit weaker until I put the magnet in, when I removed the magnet, I did notice that the queen slowed down in laying, and there may be a drop in population in that hive. So I'm gonna have to start thinking of investing in another couple of these PureWave magnets, because I do think that they are beneficial to an apiary. Thank you again for all of your donations. Us beekeepers sure appreciate that.